whatever we do in our life, we have an objective which we want to achieve. Someone has come to become a seeker. They are seekers, so they want to learn more. They have interest in spirituality. Some are, oh, I am interested. There is a change, so I want to bring a wonderful change. I am all right, I am fine, but I want to bring more wonderful changes. I want to reach to the greater heights. And somebody might come and say, I have problems in my family, the relationship problem. I want that to become. Somebody might have come, oh, I have some financial problem. I want that to become all right. Somebody might have come, I want to succeed in my life, that's why I have come. And somebody might have come, they might have seen that, oh, people are getting cured. So let me try and let me attend the Shiv Yoga Shivir and I might also become healthy. But I'll request for everyone that during these 9 days and after that for another 21 days, only one objective keep in mind. And that objective is, I have to unfold the infinite potential which is there within me. I am not worried about in whatever negative situation I am. I am not worried about my disease. I am not worried about whether I'll be cured or not. Just leave all the worries, negative things. I want to heal my worries. No way. Just focus on one thing. I have to unfold. Because when you are going to do the sadhana, the supreme benefit is the raising of consciousness. The supreme benefit is when you spiritually grow, you will have the materialization power. And the side benefits are, the smaller benefits are, you might get cured of a disease. You might have a wonderful relationship. You might have success in life. You might have more wealth flowing to you. But do not aim on that. Aim on, for 21 days, aim at sadhana, because this is a sacred sadhana. If you will really understand the value of it, then you will really go for the real value. Erasing of all the karmic factors. Because it is the individual karma which is responsible for the present suffering. And if we are only stuck to the present suffering and that karma, instead of that, why not to aim at the supreme? Erasing of all the karmas and let the beautiful change come in my life.